You're making me beautiful. Yeah.
Wow!
How do I look now?
You look beautiful as well.
Wow!
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I can tell.
Wow, good job, you.
Yeah, you think I can trust you for that? Don't tell anyone. If you can tell anyone, you will go down. Just like that. Yeah, you're trying too easy. Okay.
It's done. Almost done.
Eyeliner.
Not yet. We still need something to make your eyes long. It's
Make my eyes long.
yeah. It's the mascara, but I don't need it. And even though we need the eyeliner to make it. Wait, I got something.
Huh?
Ari, you're forgetting already.
Not yet?
No. Okay.
And what is the next?
This
What's
one.
that?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no.
And my forehead too.
No beating.
Now can I breathe?
Yes.
Done?
No, not yet. Not yet done.
Yay!
This one
What's that?
is for mommy's.
What's that?
What is this for? Where should it go?
For the cheeks, remember? Mommy should put you somewhere.
Okay.
That is the last one.
Yeah.
It's a final.
Yeah, final choice. And then I
Can I touch?
And then you scrub it.
How about my eyebrows? Did you do the eyebrows? I want my eyebrows to be perfect.
Huh?
But first we have to scrub your cheeks. So you can be beautiful. As good as that.
Wow.
Duda ko kang wow na.
Beautiful.
Wait. The last one.
Another last one. I think it's final. Look at that, mommy. Wow. It's a final makeup.